Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Amazon seller products to Walmart Marketplace via Feedonomics detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Feedonomics account. Navigate to the dashboard where your existing product feeds are displayed. Locate the Amazon seller account you wish to transfer products from. Select the feed associated with the Amazon products targeted for Walmart Marketplace. Review the product list to ensure accuracy and completeness. Next, open the Walmart Marketplace integration settings within Feedonomics. Choose Create New Feed or Edit Existing Feed to initiate the transfer process. Configure the feed settings to align with Walmart's product requirements. Map the Amazon product attributes to their corresponding Walmart fields. Make sure to adjust any settings for variations, such as sizes or colors. Once the mapping is complete, perform a data validation check. This ensures all product data meets Walmart's listing criteria. Next, set the shipping and tax settings according to Walmart's policies. Review your pricing strategy to stay competitive on the Walmart platform. Prepare the feed for submission by double-checking all listings. Once verified, click the Submit button to send the feed to Walmart Marketplace. Monitor the submission status within Feedonomics for any errors or alerts. If issues arise, consult the error messages for guidance on required adjustments. After successful submission, check the Walmart Seller Center for product visibility. Confirm that all transferred products are listed correctly and appear as intended. Periodically review your listings for ongoing compliance with Walmart's guidelines. Finally, start managing your inventory and orders through the Walmart Seller Center. This will ensure a smooth operation on the Walmart Marketplace platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.